Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, maaari bang mabisita ka? Imahe mo'y unti-unting nabubura. Ayoko na tuluyang malimutan ka. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, dadalhan ng paboritong bulaklak, sapagkat ngiti mo ay limot ko na. Sana ay muli pang masilayan ka. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, gusto sanang marinig ang boses mo. Sabay nating awitin ang paborito mo. Di magsasawa na ulit-ulitin to. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, dadalhan ka ng mainit na kape, katulad ng dati nating ginagawa. Nagkwekwentuhan lang hanggang sa maggabi. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, manonood tayo ng pelikula. Iiyak, tatawa at malulungkot. Kahit anong drama, ako'y kasama mo. Kung ang langit ay malapit lang, araw-araw kang pupuntahan. Mahigpit na yakap ang sasalubong sa iyo. Kukwentuhan kita ng buhay sa mundo.
Kaya namang makayanan, kahit pa na nahihirapan, kahit lungkot dumaraan. Pag natuyo na ang luha, parang naipan ang iyong kandila. Init ay wala. Hindi ba pangako mo nung una? Tiwala'y ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kong mahalin sa susunod na habang
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid of love, the life we've made. And I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, whom I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. Through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better